Deskero is a popular help desk software solution, but before deciding if it's right for your business, there are 12 important things you need to know. We'll also compare it to other competitors in the market to make sure you're making an informed decision. First, Deskero offers an intuitive, user-friendly interface, which makes setting up and managing support tickets simple. This is something other help desk platforms like Freshdesk and Zendesk can struggle with, especially for smaller teams. Deskero's dashboard is clean, organized, and quick to navigate, making it a great choice if you don't want to spend too much time learning how to use it. Next thing, Deskero shines when it comes to multi-channel support. It integrates seamlessly with social media platforms, email, chat, and even your website. Unlike some competitors, such as Zoho Desk, which require complex integrations, Deskero does this straight out of the box. This gives you a unified view of all customer interactions. The third thing is its powerful automation capabilities. Deskero allows you to automate ticket routing, priority setting, and response workflows. This can save time and reduce the workload for support agents. While platforms like ServiceNow are also strong on automation, Deskero's simpler setup and pricing structure might be a better fit for smaller businesses. Moving on, Deskero offers a comprehensive knowledge base feature. This is key for reducing the number of incoming support tickets, as customers can solve problems on their own. Some other solutions, like Help Scout, offer similar knowledge base features, but Deskero's is more customizable, making it more adaptable for different business needs. The fifth thing to consider is pricing. Deskero's pricing is competitive, especially compared to higher-priced competitors like Zendesk, which might be overkill for smaller businesses. Deskero offers a more affordable and scalable solution without compromising on core features. The sixth thing is Deskero's reporting and analytics tools. With real-time insights into ticket statuses, team performance, and customer satisfaction, you can easily track how well your support team is doing. While platforms like Freshdesk also offer detailed analytics, Deskero's are easier to digest and act on, making it a better choice if you want quick insights. Next, Deskero provides a customizable ticketing system, which means you can adjust it to fit your workflow. This flexibility is something that platforms like Zoho Desk lack, where ticket customization is more rigid. Whether it's custom fields, statuses, or ticket templates, Deskero allows you to design your process the way you need it. The eighth thing is Deskero's integration with third-party apps. Deskero integrates with CRM software, chat tools, and email marketing platforms, which is a huge advantage. Competitors like Freshdesk have a similar array of integrations, but sometimes require additional setup steps, while Deskero's integrations are often simpler and more seamless. Now, let's talk about customer support. Deskero offers 24/7 support, which is a must for businesses that operate globally. While platforms like Zendesk also offer round-the-clock support, Deskero's team has a reputation for being more responsive and helpful, even during off hours. The 10th thing to note is Deskero's mobile app. It allows agents to manage tickets, respond to customer queries, and stay updated on the go. This feature is crucial for teams that need flexibility, and while others like Zoho Desk and Freshdesk offer mobile apps, Deskero's is more reliable and user-friendly. The 11th thing is Deskero's scalability. It's an excellent solution for small to medium-sized businesses, but can it scale up to large enterprises? While it can handle growing teams, it's not as robust as platforms like ServiceNow when it comes to complex enterprise-level needs. For most growing businesses, though, Deskero offers the right balance of features and scalability. Finally, Deskero offers a free trial, so you can test it out before committing to a subscription. This is always a bonus when comparing it to competitors like Zendesk, which might have less flexible trial options or upfront costs. All in all, Deskero is a solid choice for businesses looking for an affordable, intuitive, and feature-rich help desk solution. It stands out in several areas like multi-channel support and automation, especially when compared to higher-priced competitors. However, if you're looking for a more robust solution, we recommend checking out our top-rated help desk software, which you can try for free.